Hello, this is Fahad Zahur. In this video, I'm going to explain you how you can manage your product with different size. So just log in. Now here, first we create a new product with the name of okay, and we can select any category. I can select meal category, and I can put the sale price is here 20, and just leave rest of the things same as it is by default, and just click on the save button. Okay, now here is the family meal I have created. Now let's suppose once we go to the POS screen and I go to the meal section, and here I have family meal. So now we want to give the choice of with family meal, like choice of rice, choice of drink. Okay, so for the choice, what we can do, we can create modifiers. Okay, I go back, and here in the modifier section I can go to modifier. I create a new modifier with the name of meal size, or maybe meal choice. You can create whatever name you want. Save and close. And now we can add items. Okay, now this is the group name. A person can select minimum one item and maximum three item. Okay, after that create item, and here we can create some items like rice, boiled rice, and fried rice. Okay, in this group I add these three items. Okay, and I click on the, I just scroll up and then click on the update changes and close. And now what I need to do, I need to assign family meal deal. I need to link group with family meal. I just select it. I click on the link modifier and apply action. This pop-up will come, and in this pop-up you can see the modifier group name. Okay, and meal choice, you can select it, and then just click on the save and close button. Okay, now we go back to POS and go to POS, and once I click on the family meal, still the pop-up is not appear. So what we need to do, need to make the family meal as a modifier item. I click on it, modify and features, and then I need to click on this checkbox link with modifier and click on upgrade button. Now let's go back to the POS and meal and select family, and as you see, once I click on family meal, it give a choice of rice, boiled rice, and fried rice. Okay, if we can select any item, you can select it. Okay, I just close it. Now let's suppose family meal have meal choice and family meal have some other group like drink. I can create another group, drink. This is the name of group, and now I add items. I can say minimum one and maximum one from the drink section, and I say Pepsi can, Fanta, Sprite. Okay, these three products, and click on update change close. Now we can go back to product section, and here I can search family meal. I can select and link modifier apply. So meal choice is already applied to family meal. So now I untick this box, and then I again tick this box, and I also assign this box. So this way we can assign multiple modifier groups to a single product. I click on save and close, go back to POS, meal, family meal. So now you see the meal choice on number one, the drink on number two. Now let's suppose if you want to make the drink on number one and meal choice on number two, we go back here, family meal, and I untick this. Okay, if we want to show the drink on first, so I click drink on first and then meal choice on second, and then save. Go back, go to meals, family meal, and you see this time drink on first and meal choice on second. So this way you can add your product with your multiple size and multiple choice.